Hi, this is Infinity Dragon 1000, and I decided to review my pocket knife. Right, it's a little big. There. It's a 7-functioned pocket knife. As you guys can't see, it's pretty big. So, do it from right here. Alright. As you guys can see, it's an awesome pocket knife. I love it. Really equipped with it. It's really cool. Alright, first, I'm going to show you guys the least things I don't like, right? And then for the best. Just a second. Alright. First, I'm going to show you guys the screwdriver. A screwdriver. Also, I would like to ask you guys, what is this? I don't know what it is for. So please comment and tell me what it is, please. I would really appreciate it. I really want to know what it is and what it is really is for. Another thing is, soda opener. Open sodas, awesome. I always need it. Hey, sorry, can't open it. Yeah. And also, second thing I like is scissors, mini scissors. Woo! Pretty cool. Din, 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 din. To show you how they cut, well, I don't have nothing right now. Just a sec. Um, well, show how great it cuts. Cuts great in a straight line. Pretty cool. Yeah, mini scissors. If you guys are interested in want to know where they sell them, well, I bought it in this Target in really good, cheapy price, and you guys won't believe how much it cost. Believe me, it costed $1. I bought it in this Target. I don't know. I think it was in the Avenues. I don't know. I'm not sure. And the coolest thing is the pocket knife. Oh yeah. I really use it a lot. When I go to work with my dad, I use it a lot. So, and my reviews, of course. As you guys might know me, I'm a Bakugan fan and do reviews. So, I use it. Or if I don't have my pocket knife right now, I have it available right now. I actually use this screwdriver. Well, yeah. This is my awesome pocket knife. I heard it was an army knife, which was costed $60. Yeah, it's a 7-function pocket knife, but well, this came with a toothpick, which when I was using it broke, and this is like what the girls use for the eyebrows. I threw it away because I'm not a girl. I don't use it, and well, well, so that's my pocket knife. Infinity Dragon 1000 signing.